Okay, here goes. So when I open up the PowerPoint, then I get this notice, enable macros, because I had to create macros in order to do this. And then when the students get it, let me go back. They go to presentation mode. And then when they click on the circle, it changes the brush black. And in every place where I have put a design, they could try to match it. If they click in these other spaces, it'll just go to the next slide. So here's the next one, monkey wrench. And they have to follow the pattern to color it in. All right, I'll show you one more. This is the star. So they select the color, then they click on the brush, and then they color in the star. Now, if they click into a section that's not enabled, it'll just take them to the next slide. Okay, that's that one. Okay, the second one that I came up with was the one that they do in color. Once again, you have to enable the macros. And this time, I had to create shapes for every single space in order for them to be able to color in it. So all of these, I had to draw squares or triangles. And then when they click on it, then they can color it, but they don't have to follow this pattern. They can make up any color design they want. So even though it looks like they're really painting, they don't even really have to click on the brush, but I just have them do that for the fun part. So you can see they can do any pattern they want. So let me skip to one I didn't do. Okay, so this one is the flying geese. So on the other one, they had three color choices. They had black, white, and gray, so that they can make these two going north different colors. But once again, they're not restricted to any colors when they get to the color slides. And so my thought was that after everybody finished theirs, if we were in the real world school, that after everybody finished theirs, that we would print them and cut them out and make a big gigantic print. They could also use the pen, and they could also draw designs with the pen. So if they wanted to add something else to it. Now, if I was working with older students and they could actually download pictures, I was thinking they could also download pictures of famous African Americans and copy and paste them on the slides. So I saw a lot of possibilities until I realized that I would not be able to do this with my students, but okay, so that was my dilemma. And then in order for them to keep using this over and over again, I would either tell them to save it under another name, or when they exit, just don't save it. And then they would have a blank canvas. Okay, end the video.